Locked away on the ocean floor of Chile's coast is a stockpile of wine. It's here as part of an underwater aging program promoted by entrepreneurs linked to a local diving centre. Preserving wine underwater has been in practice for decades, but the project is novel for Chile, one of the world's top wine exporters. Alejandro Sosa's company is behind the innovation.
This project was born out of two passions. One is love for scuba diving, and, above all, at the same time, the willingness to try new things, and what we know about how wine underwater evolves. We tested different alternatives: shapes, boxes, wrapping, wineries. We're finding certain products that perform very well underwater.
A consistent temperature, negative pressure, and the right light recreate the cave effect of traditional underground wine cellars. The bottles are submerged at depths of between 33 and 66 feet for 8 months to a year around the small Locos Island in northern Chile. Sommelier Luana Balbin believes you can taste the difference.
You can feel the tannins are silkier, softer. The body, you feel a more elegant body, a wine. You can feel that evolution from being aged underwater.
The project's partners also believe the experience could become a tourist attraction.